Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your TCL 32V5C TV to the Wi-Fi network. From the home screen of your device, navigate to the top bar and then to the gear icon to open Settings. Now in Settings, select Network and Internet. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and find your Wi-Fi network on the list. If you can see it on the list, select See All and then locate your Wi-Fi network here. Once you find it, select it and provide a password to it using the on-screen keyboard. Let me do this real quick. By the way, you can navigate here using D-pad arrow keys to navigate and central D-pad key to select the character or the digit. And once you enter the password, navigate to this icon and press select. And then wait until your TV is connected with the Wi-Fi network. It's gonna take a moment. And then you'll be returned to your Wi-Fi networks list. Now if you see the connected status under your network, that means that you are now successfully connected to the internet and you can open any web service on your TV right now and start using it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.